has been a long time since my last vlog. I'm going to travel again! Yay! This time I'm going to Koh Lipe. I want to give a quick update about myself. So today is actually my last day in Lazada. I think most of you already know. And today is actually the last day of birthday campaign, which you know. See, I'm still wearing the t-shirt. I actually love this t-shirt a lot. Look at the design, so colorful. So I decided to quit and fully focus on my own sportswear brand, which is xoxo. I will leave the link down the description box and you can check it out. Make sure you check it out. I'm actually still thinking whether should I take my drone together. What happened now is I don't have a drone bag. Actually cannot hand carry to the flight. So I figured out that I should just put it in a bag. Let me show you. It's like I have a bag here. And just put the drone box in the bag. So yeah, hopefully I can hand carry on the flight. If not, then I'm gonna check in because I didn't purchase for the check-in. So yeah, hopefully it works. So I figured that I don't need a very big luggage for this trip because it's just like 4 days 3 night trip. So I transferred my stuff from here to my small bags. So this bag is from my friend that's staying at US now. Yay! Thank you for the bag, Wang.
The eagle has no butthole.
Let me zoom it.
How does it defecate?
We reached Koh Lipe. So we reached our place to stay. Check in now.
Ah, okay.
Wow, looks nice. The place we stay tonight.
Oh crap! I'm not facing the TV. No!
There's a lot of stuff we want to buy back. So many snacks. Been raining since 10 in the morning and it's still raining now. So hopefully the rain will stop after this. Because I want to take a lot of pictures before like tomorrow have a snorkeling trip. So we are going to a lot of island tomorrow. So I don't think we have like time to take pictures anymore. Go up again? Try.
Wait, sorry. It should be funny.
I'm putting this in my vlog. Tarzan. Good job. Finally, we found a place without so many people to chill. Wow, nice spots. Look at me. What the heck are you doing?
What's the difference? I don't know. It's bigger than the rest.
Nice. This thing just costs $5. Around 60 cents. Oh my god, so many dogs here. Oh, Oh, so cute. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. So now we are at the sunset beach now and waiting for the sunset. There's a lot of dogs there. Look at that. Oh, so many of them here. My gosh. So cute. They're so cute. The rocks are big.
No, go in.
Know how people put their hand there?
See? So big. We gotta climb up there to watch sunset later. There. Going up. Ooh.
Seriously, we really can.
Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now. So faded, I'm on.
Lunch. Wow, looks nice. Got eggs.
Built the same.
Food.
They've not built the same. It's a soup actually.
Butterfly. Come out, crabby.
你要给它走先。
来，出来。哎呀，出哦，走。好了，拜拜。Felice is catching all the hermit crab.
Oh, different shape.
Oh, we got trees now. Hey, don't drown them. You're wasting the water.
Making a moat.
It's not working.
I know. Poor guy.
Yeah, let's just go.
They are playing the crab.
Docile.
The big one gave up already.
Cute. Looks exactly like a statue.